Everyone, I hope you all doing well. It's Tony. I hope everybody is having a great 4th of July weekend. I'm currently still in LA because of traffic, so I decided to celebrate the 4th of July by cooking myself a ribeye steak dinner. Before we start the cooking, I would like to thank Set Power for sponsoring this video. I have been using this Set Power RF25 fridge for a little bit over a month now. So far, it's been working well for me. And it's a lot easier to operate through the app. See, you can download the app here. And here's the phone right here. See that? It's a lot easier if you download through the app so you can check out your fridge temperature. Right now, it's set to 39 Fahrenheit degree. And on eco mode. So that means you don't be running so much waters, right? And you see on eco mode, it only takes like 28 watts, okay? Normally it should be 40 watts or higher. So far, so good, really. I mean, nothing wrong with it. Everything's working good. And I have my food in there, still cold, at 39 degree. So, yeah, this is going to be used on my journey heading up north, starting this Monday after the 4th of July. So, yes, I recommend this fridge to everybody. And it's very affordable. It's pretty cheap, really. It costs around 200, between 200 something. So it's not that bad, really. And if you want a discount code, I have it under my description link. And you can click on it if you want to order one. And they are very affordable and very reliable. Plus, they have a 3-year warranty on the fridge. And they've been around for a couple years. Pretty well-known brand. Also, this model has the removable ice box right here. You freeze it and you can last without any power for 50 hours. So it will keep your food cold when your fridge have no power left. I'm currently at a park, kind of peaceful here. You can see. And I have my cook set up right now. Everything's set up right now. So let's start cooking some ribeye steak dinner. Here is our setup. Got the stove and the pan, cast iron pan. We got the ribeye steak right there, all seasoned with salt and pepper. We got some butter with some garlic, with some green cut onion, and with some Persian cucumber. And we're gonna put some sriracha hot sauce, some pink salt, some pepper, some California olive branch virgin olive oil, and some rice right here. Let me show you. The rice already cooked already, pre-cooked. You can see it's all set and ready to eat, really. So, yeah. And my mitten, just in case I need to move the pan because it's hot, so you can see. And the water to wash my hand. Alright, let's do this. Let's start cooking the ribeye steak dinner. Okay, I just turned on the oven. And right now it's hot right now. The oil is kind of like smoking right now, so it's time to put in the steak. So I'm going to be putting at least about 3 minutes for each side, and then I will flip again for another 3 minutes. Okay, let's do this. Let's get the ribeye steak out now, and put it in the hot pan. All right. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna time right now. 3 minutes. 3 minutes for each side, okay? Good. And while we are cooking, I'm gonna put some salt on another side, okay? Alright, salt. Now, pepper. Probably a little more, probably. Alright, maybe a little more. Okay, that should be good. Should be good enough. Don't overdo it. So, okay, everything's done. Now, let's wait for 2 more minutes. And then after that, we can flip again. It's already 3 minutes. Now time to flip. Alright. Look how fried it is. See that? It's pretty crisp looking, right? See that? Very crisp looking. See? So that's already 3 minutes. Now another 3 minutes, and it should be done. I'm gonna put some garlic in right now. And let's put some butter right now. Let's get this all out first. And now let's put the rest of the butter in. The butter, I mean. So let's put the burger, everything there. The butter with the garlic. And now it's like 4 minutes. Right now it's like, we will have to wait till 6 minutes, okay? Then we'll be done. So right now it's 2 o'clock right now. So yeah, you know, the butter right now is melting right now. You can see, and this is for the top one too. Give it more flavor, you know. So, and the garlic right there. Then you have to cook everything right. You see. And this will be my dinner for the 4th of July. Look really good, right? It's already 3 minutes on both sides. So now let's sear the side, okay? Let's sear the side. Let's see if the garlic's ready. I think the garlic should be ready already. I think it should be ready. I think the garlic's ready. Maybe a little more, then it'll probably be ready. It definitely should be ready. Look like it's ready. Now this side here. And put the garlic again. Okay, I'm going to be taking this garlic out first, okay? This garlic here. Put it on the plate. It's already cooked already, you can see. Got a little bit more of that one. Alright. Let's sear this side here. I like my side kind of seared, you know. A little more here. That should be ready. Alright. So I think it should be ready now. Gonna move this around a little bit. But it's definitely ready. My ribeye steak is definitely ready. For sure. Just gonna flip it around a lot, so make sure everything really crispy and cooked. You see? And now, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off for now, so it should be ready. Ready cooked already. So I'm gonna let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes before I cut it. Everything is cooked. Got the steak cooked, and the garlic, and the green onion with Persian cucumber. And the rice ready too. And we're gonna put some sriracha sauce. So yeah, let's put it together. Let's start eating. The product is finished. Now let's go eat. Hot rice with ribeye steak with a Persian cucumber with grilled onion, and hot sauce, and some garlic. Yep. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Let's give this a taste test. Okay. Now I'm scooping in some veggie with some ribeye steaks. See, right here. Hope you can see that. Hope it's focused on you guys. See, give it one more try. See. Okay. Alright, let's give it a try. Hmm. Mm. Definitely crunchier, right? Definitely has taste of spice too. And a ribeye steak. It's somewhat oily too, by the way. It's pretty oily. You see? Because I put a lot of butter in it too. I hope you can see though. I hope you can see. Oops. Not bad. I think it's I think I did like medium rare maybe, who knows? Maybe. Let me show you one, okay? Here my finger. See, I think it's medium rare, I'm not sure. How you see it right there? See that? It could be medium rare, I'm not sure. But other than that, it tastes good. Mm. Let's try some more veggie. Hmm. Wow. And let me give you a try of the garlic too. Here. Let's see the garlic now. Mm. The, the garlic tastes like butter almost, you know what I mean? Just I deep fry it, you know what I mean, with butter, with olive oil. Same with the steak. Everything tastes so good. Wow, tastes so good. Definitely a really good meal today. Not bad at all. And also, because of July the 4th, the ribeye steak are on sale, okay? This is probably the lowest prime cut ribeye steak for $7.99 a pound. So it's not bad, really, you know what I mean? So, and sorry about the horn, right, at the park. I don't know why they always have horn going off in each car. I don't get it, you know what I mean? So let's try to ignore that. But yeah, this is a good meal, you know what I mean? Really good meal, you know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give this video a like. Comment on what you think of my ribeye steak dinner for the 4th of July. And if you guys want to order that set power fridge, the RF25, please click on the link below on the description of the video. And you can order through my link for the discount. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're not new, please subscribe to help out my channel. Until next time, I will see y'all and y'all take care and happy 4th of July.